Australia is home to a vibrant and growing mutual fund industry, offering investors various options to grow their wealth. These funds cater to diverse investment goals, from stable income to long-term growth, and they play a significant role in the financial planning of millions of Australians. In this video, we'll explore some of the biggest mutual funds in Australia, breaking down what makes them popular and how they can fit into different investment strategies. 1. AustralianSuper Balanced Fund. AustralianSuper Balanced Fund is one of Australia's most popular mutual funds. Managed by AustralianSuper, this fund is designed for members looking for long-term growth while managing risk through diversification. It invests in Australian and international shares, property, infrastructure, and fixed income. The fund's strong track record and low fees make it a top investor choice. It's especially suitable for those planning for retirement, as it balances growth and stability to help build wealth over time. 2. Vanguard Australian Shares Index Fund. This fund stands out for investors who want exposure to the Australian stock market. It tracks the S&P/ASX 300 index, providing diversified access to 300 of Australia's largest publicly listed companies. With its low-cost structure and passive investment strategy, this fund is perfect for those seeking steady growth over the long term. It's an excellent option for investors who believe in the strength of the Australian economy and want broad exposure to the market. 3. BT Balanced Returns Fund. The BT Balanced Returns Fund is a popular choice for investors looking for a diversified portfolio. BT Financial Group manages this fund in asset classes including shares, fixed income, property, and cash. Its balanced approach is designed to provide both income and capital growth. This fund is ideal for moderate-risk investors who want steady returns without taking on too much volatility. Its diversified portfolio ensures it performs well in various market conditions, making it a reliable choice for long-term wealth building. 4. Colonial First State Australian Share Fund. This fund is known for its focus on large-cap Australian equities. Colonial First State Investments manages it in blue-chip companies across various sectors, including finance, healthcare, and energy. This fund is ideal for investors seeking exposure to Australia's most prominent companies. Its focus on high-quality stocks makes it a good option for reliable growth and stable returns. 5. MLC Horizon 4 Growth Portfolio. MLC Investments manages the MLC Horizon 4 Growth Portfolio, a growth-oriented mutual fund that invests primarily in Australian and international shares with a smaller allocation to property and alternative assets. The fund aims to deliver strong capital growth over the long term. This fund is perfect for investors with a higher risk tolerance who want to maximize their returns. Its focus on growth makes it suitable for younger investors or those with a long investment horizon. 6. Perpetual Industrial Share Fund. The Perpetual Industrial Share Fund is a long-standing mutual fund that invests in Australian industrial stocks. Managed by Perpetual Investments, it avoids exposure to mining and resource companies and focuses instead on businesses in sectors like banking, retail, and healthcare. This fund appeals to investors who want to avoid the volatility often associated with the resources sector. Its focus on stable, income-generating companies makes it a great option for conservative investors seeking consistent returns. 7. AMP Capital Balanced Growth Fund. The AMP Capital Balanced Growth Fund is a well-known mutual fund in Australia, focusing on achieving growth while managing risk. It invests in Australian and international shares, fixed income, property, and infrastructure assets. This fund is excellent for investors who want a balanced investment approach. It provides a combination of income and growth, making it ideal for those planning for retirement or seeking steady wealth accumulation. 8. Schroder Australian Equity Fund. The Schroder Australian Equity Fund focuses on Australian equities, targeting companies with strong fundamentals and growth potential. Managed by Schroders, this fund employs an active investment strategy to identify market opportunities. This fund is suitable for investors comfortable with a more hands-on approach to investing. Its active management style aims to outperform the market, making it appealing to those seeking higher returns. 9. BlackRock Indexed Australian Equity Fund. The BlackRock Indexed Australian Equity Fund provides investors with exposure to the Australian stock market through an index tracking strategy. Managed by BlackRock, this fund aims to replicate the performance of the S&P/ASX 200 index. With its low fees and passive management, this fund is ideal for cost-conscious investors who want a simple and effective way to invest in the Australian market. 10. Magellan Global Fund. The Magellan Global Fund is a globally focused fund managed by Magellan Asset Management. While it invests internationally, it's a popular choice among Australian investors looking for global diversification. The fund focuses on high-quality, large-cap companies across technology, healthcare, and consumer goods. This fund is perfect for investors who want exposure to global markets while benefiting from the expertise of an Australian-based manager. Its strong performance track record makes it a compelling option for those seeking long-term growth. To conclude, these are some of the biggest mutual funds in Australia, each offering unique opportunities to help you grow your wealth. Whether you're looking for a balanced portfolio, exposure to Australian equities, or global diversification, there's a fund to suit your investment goals. By investing in mutual funds, you gain access to professional management and diversified portfolios, making it easier to achieve your financial objectives. Research thoroughly, consider your risk tolerance, and consult a financial advisor. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel.